Hello, crypto enthusiasts, and welcome to another exciting episode of Staro Technology. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of the Pi Network wallet and how transactions work. If you're new to Pi or want to understand how to manage your Pi coins, this video is a must-watch. Why wallets matter. Before we dive into wallets and transactions, let's understand why they're important. Think of your Pi Network wallet as your digital bank account. It's where you store, send, and receive your Pi coins. Understanding how it works is like knowing how to manage your money in the real world. What is a Pi Network wallet? A Pi Network wallet is a secure digital space where you keep your Pi coins. It's like a virtual wallet in a game that holds your in-game currency. This wallet is accessible through the Pi Network app, and it's where all your Pi transactions take place. Imagine your Pi wallet as a digital piggy bank. You put your Pi coins inside, and from there, you can use them for various purposes, just like you would spend money from your real-world wallet. Receiving Pi coins. When someone wants to send you Pi coins, they need your wallet address. This is like giving someone your bank account number so they can transfer money to you. Your wallet address is unique and ensures that the Pi coins go to the right place. If a friend wants to send you 10 Pi coins, you provide them with your wallet address. Once they send the coins, you'll see the 10 Pi coins in your wallet, just like receiving money in your bank account. Sending Pi coins. On the other hand, when you want to send Pi coins to someone else, you need their wallet address. It's like writing a check or making a bank transfer to pay someone. You enter their address, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. Suppose you owe a friend 5 Pi coins. To send them, you'd enter their wallet address, specify 5 Pi coins, and authorize the transfer. It's like writing a check to settle a debt. Transaction records. Pi Network keeps a record of all your transactions in your wallet. It's like having a detailed bank statement that shows every deposit and withdrawal. This record helps you track your Pi coin activity. Your transaction history shows you when you received Pi coins, sent them to others, or made any other transactions. It's like having a clear record of all your financial activities. Security measures. Pi Network takes wallet security seriously. Your wallet is protected by a password and sometimes additional security measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA. These security features help keep your Pi coins safe. Just as you have a PIN for your bank card and might use 2FA for online banking, Pi Network security measures protect your wallet from unauthorized access. In summary, your Pi Network wallet is like your digital bank account, storing your Pi coins and facilitating transactions. You can receive Pi coins by sharing your wallet address and send them by entering someone else's address. Always keep an eye on your transaction history and prioritize wallet security for a worry-free Pi experience. If you found this video informative and valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency and Pi Network. If you have questions about Pi Network wallets, transactions, or any other topics you'd like us to explore, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and may your Pi wallet always be secure and filled with prosperity. 1.